Alright, so in this video we're going to import our images into Lightroom and then use Lightroom to put all our images in one document in Photoshop. Alright, so we're going to import your images, click import, find on your desktop right there, these are all my images. And right here, just gonna make sure it says add. I don't want to move them anywhere. I don't want to copy them anywhere, and I don't want to make them digital negatives. All right, now we're just gonna import them. So this does not move the files in any way. It just is reading them from their current location. So I have all the files here. If you want to make any changes to any of your images, right here is a very convenient place to do it. It's very easy to just click on an image, push develop, click on develop up here, and now we can kind of mess with the contrast, make it a little darker. We can make or brighter very easily. If you want this cursor, this little, to go back to the middle, you can double click it and it'll go back. That sound that you hear is my computer working. Alright, I mean this image seems like it's as good as it's gonna get. I actually might just add a little bit of clarity, maybe a little bit of vibrance, contrast. Okay, that's not exactly what we're doing here. Anyway, once you're done, you don't really have to save anything. Just go back to libraries. You can actually just leave that as it is and choose a different image to play with. Alright, so here we can add a little contrast, make it darker. And of course, you don't just have these options, you have all these other things that you can do. We're not going to get into that right now. We just want to, if there's some cropping that you might want to do, here is a good place to do it also. I'll give an example of this image. If I need to crop it, you can press the R button or click right here, and this is the crop tool. So I'm going to, right there, it actually shows you what the shortcut is. So I'm going to push R, and right here I can just crop, and so the crop tool is locked so that the dimensions don't change, but you can undo that just by unclicking the lock there, and then we have free reign. We can just crop. This is completely unnecessary right now, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to use Lightroom to mess with your images. A very powerful tool. Actually change the way that it is seen. We can stretch it in any way. We can transform it. You see this? This is kind of crazy. Horizontally. It's kind of like the perfect image to do this with. We'll leave it about there. And that's it. I don't have to save anything. It's done. And just click on something else. Alright. So in order to get all these images in Photoshop, I'm going to use a shortcut. I'm going to push Command A to highlight all my images down there. Command A and you right click, and then see right here you edit in, down here open as layers in Photoshop, and it's that easy. Now Photoshop is going to open automatically and put all these images as layers in one Photoshop document. There it goes. It's working. It's magic. And this might take a while, so I'm going to end the video right here and start up here in just a second.